Hey, so you've set up your Gumroad account, uploaded your first product, but now comes the exciting part, making your first sale. In this guide, I'll show you proven steps to get that first buyer quickly. First, make sure your product listing looks appealing. Add a clear title, compelling description, preview images, and a strong cover image. Choose a fair price for your product. For your first sale, consider a lower or pay what you want option to encourage buyers. Copy your product link and share it with your audience. Use social media, email lists, or personal networks to get your first buyers. Create free value around your product, like a blog post, free mini guide, or teaser video. This builds trust and attracts buyers to your Gumroad page. Tell friends, family, or your online community about your product. Ask them to check it out or share it. Sometimes your first sale comes from someone you know. Ask early buyers for feedback. Their reviews can improve your product and help convince future buyers. Check Gumroad's analytics to see who's visiting your page and which promotions work. Adjust your marketing based on what performs best. So, yeah, that's how you get your first sale on Gumroad. Optimize your listing, promote smartly, leverage your network, and your first buyer will come. It's all about small steps and consistent effort.